Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm the download driver Lexmark. This here for Syria. Here for your tap the driver download, and it's right. I'm search the official website for you. I like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download from the official website. This here for official website. You click here. This why. This here for the landing page, the website. You scroll down a link, click for the title, driver, and support. Click here and click for the title, driver, and download. And paste your model print. Paste. Click find and driver download. Click here. So this here for the detect your model print and detect automatic your operating system. And you see my operating system for Windows 10. Scroll down looking the title operating system, click here. This here the operating system for the Mac, for the Windows, for the show for the Windows, show for the Mac. And this here Mac version, Mac 12, Mac 11, Mac 11 is here for not Mac version, not update for the Mac version. This here for Mac 10, Mac 8, this here for Mac 11, not Mac 12 and Mac 11, not update for the Mac. And select for the Linux, and this here for Linux version, not update for the Linux version. And click for the Windows, and this here for operating system version. You click here. This here for update for the Windows version. And this here for Windows 10, Windows 11, and Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows Server Support. And I need to load driver Windows 11. Click here for driver Windows 11. You look in the date of release, and this here for date of release for Windows 11 support, and this here for the language English support. You scroll down, looking the title, driver, and universal print driver. And I'm recommendation for you. Click universal print driver installation package, and click here for the universal print, and click here start download. Here for the driver download. If you install driver for the U printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC, detect the USB cable printer and press one. Finish driver download. If you finish driver download, double click here, or you click here. You click open, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This you for detect automatic USB cable printer and install automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time video.